Good evening and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Congratulations to Jamaica's Davina Bennett, who was last evening declared second runner-up in the 2017 Miss Universe competition. Davina emerged at the top of the list from a field of 92 of the world's most beautiful women. The 21-year-old Clarendonian made a lasting impression, sporting a bold afro throughout the competition. The Jamaican beauty is a second-year marketing student at the UWI Mona campus.
What quality runner-up for Miss Universe is Jamaica?
South African Demi Lee Nell Peters was declared the pageant winner and Miss Colombia Laura Gonzalez Ospina first runner-up. Jamaica has yet to win the Miss Universe title, or highest placing came when Yendi Phillips took the first runner-up spot in 2010. This year's edition of the Miss Universe pageant had the most contestants in its history, with first-time entries from Cambodia, Laos and Nepal. International recording artist Shaggy is paying homage to his Jamaican roots. The artist recently launched his very own clothing line dubbed Raytown Apparel. The clothing line features a wide range of hats, t-shirts, hoodies and tank tops sporting Jamaican-inspired designs. Shaggy's Raytown Apparel is available at the official website raytownapparel.com. The new album from reggae artist Alba Rossi is scheduled for release on December 1. The album, titled Soul Pirate Acoustic, is the artist's first project since 2006 and features 9 tracks, including the lead single Diversity. The album was recorded at the Schengen Studio in Kingston and will be available on all major platforms this Friday. On the international scene, the highly anticipated album from rap sensation Eminem has a new release date. The Revival, Eminem's 9th studio album, will be out on December 8th. The album is produced by Rick Rubin and features contributions from the legendary Dr. Dre. Revival's first single, Walk on Water, featuring Beyonce, debuted at number 14 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart last week. Slim Shady's last album was the Marshall Mathers LP2 in 2013, which has been certified 4 times platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.